do the best you can. Ready? Let's go. Push it, and that's the way you can do it. What are you focused on? You're focused on your core. As we're turning, we're twisting the core, okay? Come on, touches. We're jumping, moving the core. Ready? Switch, come on. A minute. So give me some more. Keep going. Nothing that's going to stop you from getting the result, okay? Now, you shouldn't be looking at me right now. You should be looking directly to the ground. Just switch to the other arm. Right arm up and down. Left. Now, the more full range of motion you get, the better result. Left, right, down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Everybody stand up. Stay in the zone. Where we're tired. Tanya's doing her thing. She's doing the same thing as us. Lunge. Squat down. Ready? Lunge. This time we're going to 2 squats, okay? 2 squats here. Go. Down at your own tempo. Got it. Come on. Push. Now, remember I talked about that front line and that back line? You see what I'm doing? Oh, rhythm now. So you know how to keep 1, 2, 1, 2, left and right. Boom. So act like there's something right here, guys. Come on. Come on. Here's 4. And you have a glass of water on your back. Hitting that table? Yeah. Is the glass of water going to spill over? No, because your core is completely in control. Your chest is up, butt is down, down, back. Straight walk, squat hold, and spread it out. Let's go, come on, slow. I want you to go as slow as possible. I'm going to do it. Squat. I'm looking at you now. Squat. You put the weight in the heel. Turn center. Squat. Right back to your sprint. To the right. Turn center. Squat. Come on, time. Up, 2, back, 2, up, 2, back. Use your core. That's what happens. Still work. Put it down and go. You gotta jump from the bottom and go. Now hold the control. Go. Keep that chest up. Fingertips to the floor. Weight in the heels. Go. Now I want you to come up. Plank and hold. Come back. Turn out. Turn out. Jump out. Good, right. Boom. And every time you come back into that plank, you squeeze the glutes under, you tuck the hips under, all the way to the floor. Okay? Getting that chest all the way to the floor. Bigger range of motion. Take it up. Push up. Back. Push up. Take it up. As he comes up, that knee comes to the side. What's happening? He's going down as he's working the obliques as well. Earn it and make it good. I'm right here with you every step of the way. Keep going. Just look at me to make you go for it. Come on. Here we go. Take it down. Look. You got less than 4 and 3. You got it. Here's 2. Come on. You have a glass of water on top of your back. You don't want the water to fall over. And turn. Center. Squat. You got this. We're almost there, okay? Come on. Turn right. Turn center. Squat down. Come on, together. Find the focus and do the best that you can do. Now, just core, you got this. Come on. I just want you to focus on you right now. That's your focus right now. Just focus on you and focus on the best that you can do. Keep going. Come on. She's still doing it, okay? Come on. Don't think just because you're modifying at home, you're not getting the same result. Now, I'm about to take you on a journey. To the 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, you got 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. T25. Your focus is there. Log on to teambeachbody.com for more support from me and others like you who want to focus for 25 minutes a day. Good job, guys. Way to go.